So this is a shot of one of the two barges na gagamitin sa pag-ferry ng ating mga commuters as well as vehicles once na-close na po yung Magapit Suspension Bridge. At ito'y naglalagay na po sila ng mga finishing touches just to be ready, because we were informed that the Magapit Suspension Bridge shall be closed to traffic by tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And still, job works are being now done with this barge. And I repeat, this is the barge, 14-tonner barge na it can accommodate probably mga four vans. And according to the good engineer, this is the other van, the other barge which can accommodate 6 vans at a time to ferry from this point up to the other bank of the river. At ayun naman po yung ating bridge, the Magapit Suspension Bridge, na kung saan po ang dami nakahilerang mga kababayan just for the reason na gather natin na they are waiting for the arrival of two personalities. Today, the 10th day of the month of June, year 2012. It's a very beautiful Sunday, and the heat and the sun is out and the heat is on, but still people are there waiting for the arrival of the two personalities, allegedly to be having some kind of shooting over the Magapit Suspension Bridge.